Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, stability control, roll stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist, traction control, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.